Hello guys, welcome back to Insa Electronics. So this is going to be a quick video about modifying this emergency light fan combination thingy. So my regular viewers will quickly recognize this item because I have already made a video about this one. You can watch that by clicking the I button up here. In that we have discussed how this thing works, what is the power consumption of this unit and many other things basically. So in this episode I'm going to make some modifications to this one. So just by looking at the surrounding components, you might have already guessed what is going to happen, and hence why, because it's a short video, that is why I'm not in my regular recording setup. So in the last video, you see this thing, when you purchase this thing, this comes with the sealed lead acid battery inside, the black color one, which I'll put a picture on the screen right now. But that got eventually that got drained out and it is no longer functioning from that. So I added this micro USB connector. You can see over here. So right now if you connect any kind of 5-volt power source, this will work just fine. But now it's summertime, I need something portable with me, so I'm going to convert this thing to run on lithium ion batteries. So I have a pack here. This is a series pack. This is a 7.4 volt battery pack, and let me focus onto that. This is a 7.4 volt pack. This is a 2000 mAh cell, you can see. So right now this is connected in series, but this thing requires 4 to 5 volts. So I'm going to cut this, I'm going to make it parallel, and I'll be using the TP456 for the charging and basically controlling this battery for powering up this one. So I shall do that and I shall come back after that. Now one quick cut. So right now you can see this is in series, so what I have to do is I have to cut them, I have to make them separate, and I have to connect them in parallel, positive and positive together, negative and negative together. Right now you can see one wire is taken from the negative, one wire is taken from the positive, and here the positive and negative is connected in common. So this right here is a 7.4 volt battery pack, and this thing cannot handle that, and for this one you can connect two of them in parallel, and that is what I'm going to do. And here you can see I'll be connecting the battery terminals onto these 2 points, B plus and B minus, and I'll be connecting the output from this battery pack to this one by making use of these out plus and out minus connections. And I'll be connecting the positive and negative of the input, the 5 volt from here, to these two plus and minus points. So I shall do that and I shall come back after that. So the battery setup is now complete. They are now in parallel, and you can see the wires running across them. That is because the glue that is used to stick them together is really hard, and if I try to pull them out, it's going to tear apart the outer casing. I just don't want that to happen. So I just kept it as it is, and I use wires to make them in parallel. And you can see it is now being charged. The charger side is working fine. Now I need to connect this inside this one. So I shall do that and I shall come back after that. Okay, so now the build is complete. I have now fixed everything inside. You can see the battery pack over there, the charger over there. It's just kept there with some hot glue because that's all it is required. And you can see it's a tight fit, but still I was able to manage to fit them inside. So let's now try it and let's see whether it's working or not. And here it is, the full bright mode, the low bright mode, although it may appear as same in here. Now the fan, full speed, low speed, so everything is working. Now let's see whether the charging is happening or not. Still you can see the screw in here, it's not fixed, but let me connect the charger and make sure it is charging inside. So if I connect it properly and turn on the charger, if I turn off this light, you can see the light right there, we can see. So the build is now complete, everything is working as expected. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.